Good morning and welcome to the Adult Crane Show, series 26. Crane's Tulip. Yeah, I'll show you what this bit says, okay? Tulip is kind of like a flower. By the way, adult crane is like, coloring is a hobby, so let me turn this light on. Yeah, that's red. There we go. Now, we'll be going live tonight, so be sure to read down in the description below. Because I'm going to be going live tonight, okay? Oh, hang on just a second. Get my pencils out here. And this is a real jar, okay? I do my exercises like that every morning, and then I'm free to do whatever I want to, guys. Yes, sir. Free to do whatever I want to. I'm going to be working on some Christmas coloring for 2 minutes longer. Probably do it for my family. Alright, there we go. Got some Christmas coloring to do. And I'll probably do some of that for my family. For Christmas, you know. Ow! Now, coloring is a hobby. And this is adult coloring, so it's very fun to do coloring, and it's it leaves stress from your body. Once you do a coloring like this is for adults, and once you start coloring, it is a stress relief. If you're under a lot of stress, being in a place like this, I'm in a lot of stress, but I'm getting out very, very soon. So, so if you're stressed out, this is a good thing for this. Coloring is a hobby. I thought it was a form of art, but really it's a form of it's a hobby. And I'm gonna be starting doing some coloring lives. Every time I go live, I'll probably start coloring. Just change up my live streams, you know. Okay, and I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that piece of paper, take some toilet tissue, and what's this here? Blend these colors. There we go. Let me show you something here. See? I'm just blending it. That's what I'm doing. Okay, now let's work on these leaves. I got some little doodads there, some little flowers and stuff I have to color. But oh no, it's pretty cool. Just subscribe if you haven't already, and thumbs up. Read down in the description below. Drinking me some water. Just got through exercising, so drink me some water. Yeah, switching colors here. And take blue. Okay, let me show you what this one is, okay?